Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we're discussing with you Nova Hair Shampoo review. So, if you're looking for a quick way to cover up those grays or just to refresh your color without spending half your Saturday and want a small fortune and at a salon, well, in this case, you may be looking at Nova Hair here, and you're wondering, what is it? Is it actually good? So, how do you use it? So what is Nova Hair here? So it is basically a three-in-one system that cleanses, colors, and conditions your hair all at the same time. Now this is according to their website. Now instead of using harsh chemicals like ammonia that leaves your hair feeling like straw, it uses direct dyes that stick to the hair cuticle. So mixed with nourishing things like panthenol and aloe vera to keep your hair shiny and soft. Now it comes in shades like black, brown, red, and purple, and the color usually lasts anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks, depending on how often you wash it or wash your hair. Now this is again according to the website. Now using it is super easy here, so it cuts out the whole messy part. Well, in this case, you need to mix balls or use some brushes routine here. So what you need to do is you just want to do a quick 24-hour patch test on your skin just to make sure you don't have any sensitivities to the actual pigments. And when you're ready and you don't notice any type of reaction, now you can put on a pair of plastic gloves to your hands and fingernails here, and don't accidentally get stained. Now you want to pump a good amount of shampoo. Rub your hands together to lather it up and work it evenly through your hair from roots to tips. Now you can do this on a slightly damp or even dry hair, but it is recommended that you damp your hair. Now then from then on, you just let it hang, and if you're just doing a quick color refresh, 10 minutes is usually plenty. So if you have stubborn grays, leave it for like 20 to 25 minutes. Then after the time is up, you hop in the shower, rinse it thoroughly with warm water until the water runs completely clear. Now, for the pricing itself, now it's pretty friendly on the wallet. Now, standard 200 ml bottle usually runs anywhere between $10 to $16 on major retail sites. But if you buy the premium version or multi-pack directly from their official brand sites, those bundles range closer to $30 to $40 depending on when you are buying them. But then again, it totally depends on where you are or your country that you're buying from. So that's surprising. But that's about it. If you found this video, avoid the like and share button and watch our next video.